The Ghanaian court system for any criminal case, including murder, rape, defilement, among others, to proceed, a jury, which is usually made up of around 7 members, is selected from the public, swears an oath, and assists the court to pass a judgment. These members of the jury, though not paid, are given some allowances to cover their expenses. However, in the Western region, the over 50 jurors at the High Court have declared an indefinite strike over 13-month unpaid allowances.
For 13 months now, from February 2022, we have not been given anything. As jurors, when you sit on any case, you are entitled to an allowance for any case that is for that particular day. So imagine if I have sat on about 4 cases or 5 cases in a month, and for 13 months, we have not been paid. It's not easy. Some of us are staying at various places that we find difficult committing to the court. So we have taken a decision that until the court pay us all our 13 allowance, we are not going to court again.
As for last year, February to this year, we've not been getting any allowances so far. So based on that, we've taken a unanimous decision to boycott Citi.
As a result of the strike, several criminal cases that were expected to be sat this week at the Secondary High Court have been adjourned indefinitely. Lawyer Fifi Bokman, whose case couldn't take place on Tuesday as a result of the strike, expressed his frustration to Citi News.
So far as our criminal justice system has not, effaced the jury system, I believe that government would have to do whatever possible to ensure that jurors are given whatever is needed, or the remuneration that is needed for them to carry out their business, because they being on strike is seriously affecting the criminal justice system. Today, like this, I had a case in court. It's taking some time even to get an interpreter. Now we get an interpreter, we go to court, jurors are on strike. I mean, it is something that we have to look into.
In response, the Western Regional High Court Registrar, Ernest Sovo, while admitting the allowances owed the jurors, told Citi News their strike is already having negative impact on criminal cases as they cannot progress without a jury.
Seriously, they withdrew their services, that is on the 2nd of May. Monday was a holiday, so they withdrew their services on 2nd of May. So since May, there hasn't been any sitting. Yeah. So as a result, the court is compared to urgent cases. The cases are controlled by Attorney General Department. They do the prosecution. And so since then, they only can take date. Take date means they take adjournment of the cases, awaiting the possible resolution of their own part.
For jurors here at the Secondary High Court, as much as they would have loved to be here to help in the adjudication of cases involving criminal matters, until their 13-month allowances are actually paid to them, they would continue to stay out of the court. For Citi News, I'm Akwesi Ejenim, Secondary.